If you've been eyeing Grok AI Premium version, but don't want to spend a ton of money, you're going to love this. I'm going to show you exactly how to get Grok AI Premium for free, or at such a low price, it might as well be free. And yes, it's 100% real and working as of right now. So, the first thing you want to do is click the first link in the description. This will take you to the trusted site where we can access discounted subscriptions and sometimes even free offers for tools like Netflix, Canva, Spotify, and obviously, yes, Grok AI Premium. Once you're on the page, scroll down until you see the Grok AI, then click on it. You'll land on the product page where all the details are laid out, like how long the subscription lasts, how it works, and what you get. From there, just hit the Buy Now button. But before doing so, when you're at checkout, make sure to use the discount code JAAKF. Just enter that code and apply it. That way, you get the maximum discount possible. If you haven't used this site before, you'll need to make a free account. Just sign up with your email and create a password super fast, like 30 seconds max. After you complete the purchase, check your email. You'll get all the informations you need to activate Grok AI Premium, including all login details or setup instructions. Just follow those steps, and you'll be using Grok AI Premium version without the expensive monthly bill. So, yeah, if this helped you out, drop a like on this video and hit subscribe for more legit tools and discounts. Catch you in the next one.